Social Enterprise Ghana is the national network of high-impact social enterprises that number about 740 across Ghana. This workshop is our continuous engagement of various stakeholders towards creating that business environment for social enterprises to thrive and grow.
It was a very, very educative session. For the first time, I got to know a lot more about social enterprises, what they're doing, and the sources of support for such enterprises.
I think it was really well put together, very thoughtfully done, bringing us to a central location whereby we got to hear from the ministry, we got to hear from really key people across the social enterprise ecosystem, and then we ourselves as stakeholders also were able to just input into certain issues and speak during the breakout sessions and then present our thoughts. So I thought it was really thoughtfully done and thoroughly enjoyed it.
I can say that this whole movement is not a 9-day wonder. The policy at this stage is putting in other things, and we're making sure that the draft becomes a final document and then it moves to the next level. We have been assured though that after many years of striving, the policy may be accepted or will be accepted and implemented.
Our expectations have greatly been just satisfactory, as the expectation has been getting on board relevant stakeholders to contribute towards the social enterprise policy, which has been on the table for 5 good years. So we felt this engagement generally will bring on board new partners, new stakeholders, new insights and new information that will be necessary for us to improve and review the social enterprise policy as it stands now.